Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a subnet in Kea DHCP using the Stork Dashboard. As you can see now, I already add multiple subnets in my Kea. Click on New Subnet. Add the desired subnet with subnet mask and click on Proceed. Select the Kea DHCP server. Click Add Pool. Set the address range. First address and last address. Select the DHCP server. And click on Submit. As you can see, subnet successfully created. You also can edit the created subnet. Here you can see new subnet add successfully. Click on that. You can see that the total number of IP address. Kea app version install is 3.0.0. And that's it. We have successfully added a subnet in Kea DHCP using the Stork Dashboard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more networking tutorials. See you in the next video.